Can use that in the future, I'm sure. Okay, so I was just remembering, because Van Galen wrote that, we walked Boris the other morning and had what we were talking about. Yeah. Solder Bridge is right. We had a classic, stereotypical New England, but really Massachusetts interaction. We were walking the dog and a guy was walking toward us and he stopped us and he's like, "Where's the nearest Dunkin' Donuts?" And, you know, so Van Galen and I are kind of going back and forth about like which Dunks is probably closest to where we are. But that reminded me of this other, have a good lurk, Doey. This other interaction we had when we were walking the dog just the other day. I don't think it was the same walk, because I think it would have like blown our little minds if it had happened in the same walk. But we were about to cross the street, walking toward the crosswalk, and this woman in her pickup truck slows down, slightly pulls over toward us, rolls her window down, and said, "You guys match your dog," or match with your dog. And we were like, it took us a minute to figure out what she said, just because, you know, she was in the car and we just had no idea what she was saying. It was unprovoked. She wasn't asking for directions or whatever. And then we figured out what she said, and we looked down. Van Galen was wearing like camel brown shorts and a black t-shirt. I was wearing like camel brown, like a jumpsuit and a black hoodie. And Boris is like camel brown dog, and he had a green and black harness on, so we were all wearing like tan and black, and that is a very funny thing for a stranger to pull over and point out. It's like taking couple dressing to the next level. Should go get a family portrait done at like Sears or whoever even still does those. Wear those outfits. Hey Coitas, how you doing? How'd Sandra D come today? Saw you working on her earlier. Hello, Solder. If you would like to stick to my iron, that would be so cool. Go on, thank you. Exactly, Millie. Well, I said to Van Galen, I often comment to Boris when I'm wearing that jumpsuit and we're together, because we do match. But the black t-shirt and black sweatshirt and Van Galen wearing the same color really put it over the edge.